Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes we can, so smash the like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, so smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends. It really helps out with the channel, and comment without a drawing, don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Mario from the new Super Mario movie that's coming out next year. Hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love how the outcome came out, and I really love working with the tone tan paper because it always makes the colors pop out so much, and I really love that. So hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did, and if you are excited to see the new Super Mario movie that's coming out next year, let me know by smashing the like button. But yeah everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed it. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time everybody, peace.